Hello kids. Today I'm going to tell you about pronoun. What is pronoun? So first of all, definition. Pronoun is a word that we use in place of noun or naming word. As you all know, noun is also called as naming word. So pronoun is a word that we use in place of noun. And when we replace noun with pronoun, when we are repeating the noun. So, in spite of repeating, to avoid repetition of noun word, we replace that noun word with a pronoun. Let's see the example. Here I have written Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. Kids, here Ram is a naming word. Naming word means noun. If I will write Ram is a boy, Ram is my best friend. So here I am repeating Ram. But what I have written here, I have replaced Ram with he. To avoid repetition, I have replaced Ram in my next sentence with he. Ram is a boy, he is my best friend. So kids, here I have replaced noun word Ram with he. He is here a pronoun, a word which replace noun or naming word is known as pronoun. So kids, pronoun are of two types, singular and plural. So how we are going to use singular pronoun and plural pronoun? When kids you are replacing a singular noun. So kids, when we are replacing singular noun, we will use singular pronoun. And singular pronoun are I, he, she, it. I, he, she and it. Plural pronoun. We use plural pronoun when we are replacing noun word which are plural. And what are the plural pronoun? We and they are the plural pronoun. So where we are going to use singular pronoun and plural? Let's see. I replace the speaker. I always replace the speaker who is speaking about somebody. He we use for the male, all the masculine noun. She we use for female and it we use for animal and things. Kids, we use it for animals and things. So kids, if noun word is male, अगर noun male है तो हम he यूज़ करेंगे, अगर फीमेल है तो she यूज़ करेंगे और अगर एनिमल एंड थिंग्स का नेम है सिंगुलर है तो हम इट यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ कमिंग टू प्लूरल. When speaker are two, then we are going to use we. जब भी किसी सेंटेंस में I के साथ में एक और कोई सब्जेक्ट हो, नाउन वर्ड हो, तो दैट मीन्स मोर देन वन हो तो हम वी यूज़ करेंगे. एंड दे वी यूज़ फॉर प्लूरल व्हेन नाउन आर मोर देन वन. एंड we will use this for person, animal and things. Kids, if person are more than one, then we are going to use they. If animals are more than one, then again we will use they. And if things are more than one, again we are going to use they for replacing those noun words. Okay. तो हम पर्सन, एनिमल, थिंग्स अगर वो एक से ज़्यादा है नंबर में तो हम उनको रिप्लेस करने के लिए दे यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ कमिंग टू यू किड्स, यू इज़ यूज्ड बोथ फॉर सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल according to the sentence. Sometimes you is used to replace the singular noun and sometimes it is used for plural noun. Kids, let's see few example how we are going to replace the noun words with the pronoun. Here few examples. Father. Kids, you can see father is written here and we all know father is male. So how we are going to replace this noun word with? What will be the pronoun word? He. For sister, this is female, feminine. We will use she. Cat, animal and singular. What we are going to use? It. For all the animals and things which are singular in number, जब animal and things का नाम हो लेकिन singular हो, means एक हो object, तो हम क्या use करते हैं उसको replace करने के लिए? It. So here we are going to use it. Now coming to next, boys. Again person या male but more than one, that means plural. So we are going to replace with they. Here animals but more than one, plural. So again they will be used. Rahim, name of a boy and singular. So we are going to use with replace it with he. Finally mother and I. Here kids, you can see mother is female. We will replace it with she, but no, mother and I. Two person are here and speaker is along with the person. So more than one person and speaker is in the sentence. So we are going to replace it with we. Okay. So this is how we are going to replace the pronoun with the noun words. Noun words we will replace with pronoun. So this is all about pronoun.